Hey, this is Mark. I'm a chef living in Paris. Today I'm going to show you how to make a red lentil dal. If you don't know what that is, it's a sort of Indian stew. This is a great healthy recipe. It's also super flavorful and vegan. It works really well as an appetizer. If you want something more substantial, you can pair it with rice or naan bread. So let's get started. This is a really colorful recipe. I've got a variety of spices here. We've got coriander, cumin, curry, turmeric, and some pepper flakes. Fresh ginger, red chili pepper, and fresh cilantro are gonna give us some really nice brightness. And then we've also got some cashews and coconut milk to give a really rich texture without having any animal byproduct. I'm gonna clean this up and then I'm gonna get started on the garnish. I'm gonna get a thin slice on this chili pepper. I'm also gonna mince this coriander here. Roasting nuts really brings out the flavor. They should take about 5 minutes, but you'll want to keep an eye on them because they go from done to burnt really fast. Just space these out evenly so everything is touching the pan. Okay, you can tell that these are starting to finish up. They're browning a bit, almost a bit too much here. Really the thing that tells you these are done is the smell. I'm gonna set these aside. I've got the cashews done, so now I'm gonna get started on the base for the dal. I've got oil heating up here. I'm gonna add my onions. The onions are getting translucent, so now I'm going to add the ginger and the garlic. Now I'm gonna add my spices. I'm also gonna add some water so that everything mixes evenly. I'm gonna add some salt. Now we're ready to add the lentils. And now I add enough water to cover the lentils. This has come to a boil, so I'm gonna turn the heat down and cover it up. Okay, this has been going for about 15 minutes now. I'm gonna add some of the coconut milk. A little lemon juice. Give it a couple more minutes and I'll add some more coconut milk. Okay, that's all done. We're ready to start plating. Start off with the lentils. Get a couple ladlefuls. A little bit of finishing salt. Add some more coconut milk now. Toasted cashews and coriander. Now I'm gonna add these red peppers. And finally, we're gonna add some pickled red onion. If you want to know how to make these, you can check out the description. I've got a link there where I show you how to make these and other pickles as well. Just a few more of those. And we're all done. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful for you, you can like or subscribe and keep an eye out for me next week.